starting left to right. The small silver one will unlock all of your exterior compartments. The next one will unlock your main coach door. The third end will also unlock your main coach door, and that fourth one is your ignition key. To lock your coach, take your small black round key, insert, turn to the left. Take your large key, insert, turn to the left. Your coach is locked. It will show you which way to turn. To lock your door from the inside, take those red knobs and turn to the right. Turn to the right. Now your coach is locked. To unlock, turn to the left. Also to the left. Your door opens. Use the screen door. Take the bottom lever, push,